When you think of school shoes or your first job shoes or that reliable pair for your daily use, one name pops into every Indian's mind, and that is Bata. But did you know that this Indian brand actually started 130 years ago, and that too thousands of kilometers away in Czechoslovakia? Let's understand the journey from Europe to every Indian household of Bata. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. This story starts in 1894 in the small town of Zlin, Czechoslovakia, now the Czech Republic. Thomas Bata, along with his siblings Antonin and Anna, came from a family of cobblers. With just $320 and a big dream, they founded the TNA Bata Shoe Company. The Bata siblings quickly adopted mass production, ditching traditional handmade shoes and using steam-driven machines. This meant they could make shoes faster, cheaper, and for everyone, not just the rich. But innovation was not just about machines. During tough times, Thomas made canvas shoes instead of leather, cutting costs and bringing Bata to the masses. Soon Bata was exporting to Germany, the Balkans and the Middle East. By 1912, they employed over 1,500 workers. Bata became an early pioneer in global businesses with factories in different countries, tailoring styles to local needs and tastes. In 1931, looking to source rubber and offer affordable quality shoes, Bata opened its first Indian factory near Kolkata. At a time when most people in India could not afford sturdy footwear, Bata's promise was simple: make durable, stylish, and shoes that everyone could buy. The first factory in Konagar was so successful that Bata soon built an entire township called Bata Nagar next to Kolkata. Now an iconic name. From school shoes to working adults, from city streets to rural markets, Bata shoes became part of Indian life. Ask an Indian, Bata feels local, almost like family. Bata adapted to India with classic designs: white canvas school shoes, black formal pairs, sturdy sandals, always keeping prices affordable. The brand became so trusted that many Indians even believe to this day that Bata is truly Indian. Through global crisis, 2 world wars, India's independence partition, Bata did not just survive, it expanded. Bata factories pumped out boots for soldiers in wartime and affordable school shoes in peacetime. Even as global competitors arrived, Bata remained every Indian's first and the favorite choice. Let's take you fast forward to today. Bata has over 5,300 stores globally and 4 major factories in India, including Asia's biggest in Bata Nagar. Bata constantly reinvents itself, partnering with designers, launching trendy collections, and using digital campaigns. Yet, its core promise has stayed the same: comfort, durability, and affordability for everyone. Bata is much more than a shoe brand. It's memories of school assemblies, first jobs, festivals, and everyday journey. In every Indian family, there's a Bata story, handed down, trusted, and still walking strong. It's always my first shoes, my first interview shoes, my dad's favorite chappals, everything was Bata. So from 1894 in Czechoslovakia to almost every street and home in India, Bata's journey proves that products built with heart, purpose, and innovation can cross borders and generations. No wonder, for most Indians, Bata means shoes. And above that, for many Indians, it is still an Indian brand. What do you think about Bata Company? How have you started your Bata journey? Tell me in the comment section. And stay tuned because I am Ansi. We'll see you in the next video again. I want to thank Policy Bazaar because they are offering a great term insurance and health insurance plan for everyone, because they know that what is the importance of a financial security, and they are providing their term insurance plan starting from just 699 per month premium, which gives the coverage up to 2 crore rupee. There is a discount up to 15% also, and we all know that this is the most trusted insurance partners. For their health insurance, their premium starts with just 500 to 600 rupees per month premium with a coverage up to 1 crore rupee, and they also give a 30-minute claim support. And we all know that Policy Bazaar is one of the most trusted partners. So do check out the link in the description for more details.
Bosswala. Be the boss.